Step 8. Print data of selected identification number. Multi-column databases in Excel working with this program can be divided into 8 steps. In the 8th step, the data of the selected identification number is made available in the spreadsheet for printing. When an identification number is selected, the Sheet button is visible. The Sheet button displays the data of the selected identification number in 6 columns on the Sheet worksheet. Only data from columns with headings is transferred. The picture is in cell A1. Cell C1 contains the selected identification number. The right header of this sheet contains the file name of the external Excel file, name of the active sheet, selected identification number and page number. The opened external Excel file will be closed and saved when red Mask button is clicked.